Google is finally waking up to the challenges of technological advancement, especially regarding artificial intelligence. After both ChatGPT and Bing were launched, Google seems to have responded in the best way possible to ensure it maintains the title of the largest search engine. Find out how Google intends to do this in this video as we unravel Magi, Google's latest AI invention. Magi is Google's newest AI-powered search engine that seeks to apply artificial intelligence to help understand natural language queries and provide more authentic and appropriate search results. With this latest invention, Google hopes to replace the present Google search model and simultaneously reform how we search and interact with the internet. Just like ChatGPT and Bing, Google is working on a similar project that can surpass these two AI tools in overall performance. Reports have stated that about 160 of Google's best engineers, researchers, and scientists are working on the soon-to-be-delivered Google Magi project. Whether directly or indirectly, some factors likely necessitated Google's AI tool development. Whether Google was pressured into making such a move or not, we will find out as we proceed in this video. First and foremost, Google is well known to be a heavyweight in the field of various AI research projects. Despite being renowned for artificial intelligence technology, Google only made a move for their latest innovation once OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's Bing came on board. Also, Google's claim during the aftermath of the ChatGPT launch last November may hint at something we would not want to evaluate in detail, as it is not the primary aim of this video. In addition, one major factor that must have contributed to Google's AI search engine development is Samsung's disclosed plan that involves replacing Google's conventional search engine with Microsoft's Bing. If Samsung ends up pulling off this scheme, it will result in a massive loss of about $3 billion for Google. Google is also facing a similar situation with Apple's contract renewal around the corner. According to reports, the iPhone maker is considering a potential replacement for Google's search engine. Could all these instances above be mere coincidences? We would like to know what you think about them in the comment section. It is no longer news that Google's newly developed search engine will adopt an artificial intelligence model that includes open-source machine learning frames and Google Cloud. With AI, the new search engine will apply machine learning algorithms to comprehend and interpret the intention behind a user's search. Also, the AI will provide answers similar to those provided by voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. In addition to what artificial intelligence can help Magi achieve, individual users can personalize their search engine results based on their search history. Magi will be integrated into every Google tool. This implies that with the new AI search engine, users will seamlessly pay for goods and services using the Google Pay option. Useful AI products like Search Along, Giphy, AI like Tivoli Tutor, etc. will all be incorporated into the Magi tool. Google's newest invention will provide a conversational and user-friendly interface for users. Like ChatGPT and Alexa, Magi will learn from previous user interactions and provide realistic responses. With this, the conventional method of using a list of search results will be eliminated for a better user experience. Intriguingly, Magi will detect human hand movements and other human gestures using a medley of machine learning language and computer imagination. This is the most fascinating feature of the Magi's invention. It creates a virtual atmosphere whereby users can interact virtually using hand gestures. Robots will also respond to human gestures. In the healthcare system, Magi's technology can help patients with mobility problems, surgery procedures, more accurate diagnosis, etc. Tech enthusiasts are cool and okay with Google's innovation, but a major concern remains whether AI can be trusted to generate more quality and reliable content compared to similar tools like ChatGPT and Bing. This remains a significant source of concern, which can only be speculated on until the aftermath of the Magi's launch. For now, we can only hope for something extraordinary that could match all the hype it seems to carry. Another crucial aspect that may pose a prominent drawback for the Magi project is its influence on the security and privacy of users' information. Since it can capture human hand movements, it can also track your movements without your permission or notice. This could pose both abuse and a threat. Over the years, AI has gained prominence. AI may look very promising to solve most human problems, but it can also be an immense threat to the labor market as it will increase the universal state of unemployment. The global economy is not left out. as a significant adoption of artificial intelligence may prove devastating in the long run. No doubt, artificial intelligence is the future of technological advancement, but a careful and transparent approach must be taken in implementing these AI tools to ensure they only create problems that can be tackled. We believe that if AI devices must be adopted, it should be done equitably to benefit society at large. Educating the populace about artificial intelligence, especially how these tools work and their functions, is a significant aspect that must be considered with AI implementation. Google is facing a lot of challenges lately, and just when they thought things couldn't get any worse, Samsung decided to ditch Google Search and switch over to Microsoft Bing. This unexpected move caught Google off guard and put them on the edge of their seats. Additionally, the company has been battling economic slowdowns, antitrust investigations in the US and Europe, and issues pertaining to content moderation, among other challenges. If the Magi project helps Google come back with force and assert its position as the leader in search, it could be a game changer. According to Jim Lesinski, Google's vice president of sales and services, the company has been working to ensure that it is a participant in the ongoing AI race. Thus far, no date has been confirmed for Magi's launch, but based on speculation, May is likely for Magi's release. Although we anticipate a launch date from Google at its I/O event that is set to hold on the 10th of May. The initial plan was to release Magi to only about 1 million users in the United States for performance and operations purposes. If the Magi's assessment succeeds, the invention will be accessible to several other devices. At the end of the first year of the Magi's release, Google anticipated that the AI search engine would have reached over 30 million users. Whether Google was compelled to develop such an innovative invention, they deserve credit for taking such a bold step. Magi's release is anticipated soon, and we hope for the very best, having taken our time to analyze the various intricacies associated with the latest development. We will be ending this video on today's episode at this point. We hope you can grasp something from this video, especially regarding Google's anticipated AI search engine launch. One last thing before we end this video. Please take a few moments to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button to ensure you do not miss out on our juicy content. Bye for now, and see you some other time.